Hello everybody, how are you all doing? Hope you're doing fine and good, and you're welcome to yet another video on AKWITTI. In the last video in the Canva series, we introduced ourselves to Canva, and in this video, we're going to be creating a Canva design on Valentine's Day. Let's get right to it. Alright, so in the last video, who can remind us what we click on to create a design? That's very correct. We go to create a design, and it's a poster, so we'll be clicking on A4 documents. A4 documents, and so the A4 documents will open. Now there are some key things that you need to note down before starting any design. Templates is something that there are ideas that you can use. Elements, where you can get all the wonderful circle shape, grid, photos, graphic, and all the rest. Then upload is what you have uploaded. Let's say you download something, that's what you have uploaded. Photos is Canva's own photos that I'm going to share for you. Then we have text. Add heading, subheading, little body of text. And then font combination that Canva has already added for you. Then background. That's the background of the whole thing. So we're going to start by adding a background. You can pick any background for what is here, but I'm going to type there love, so to show love background for me to use. Let's see if I can use this. Wonderful. So this is the background I would like to use. Now there's something called transparency, and you can use that by clicking on this transparency. I will make it transparent, so you can make it very light like that. I want it to be like this, so that our words can show. Then there's the edit image. If you want to edit the image the way it's looking, the brightness, background remover. But listen, can you see a little crown on background remover? Now that crown is pro, so you need to pay for background remover. So there's a crop if you want to bring them back or close them together. And we have flip. I will flip it. I see it flips. So I want it like this. So let's now go to text and click on add a heading. And when you click on add a heading, you'll be able to type whatever. So let's type Happy Valentine's Day. Now we can drag it up like this. Happy Valentine's Day. So there's something called I will call font. The way the words will look like. Now I want it to be in a love way. So let's look for something that looks like love. It doesn't have to be associated with what it is. Let's just make it creative. Let's use this Noja. Let's see how it looks. Alright. So I'll use Noja. So there's also the way, the bigness. You know, these things you can find them easily in your Word, your PowerPoint, Excel, everything, all your Microsoft apps. And there's color. You want to change color. Now pink will not be a good color in this background because the background is pink. So we can say red. Yeah, that works as well. Now let's go to elements and we'll type there heart. Now it will bring up hearts for us. So let's see. Now there are some that are Canva Pro, like this one and this one. You can see the crowns Pro. So I want to use this. Alright. So we'll just keep it somewhere like that. Happy Valentine's Day. Now we're going to add the date of Valentine's Day. So first, go back to elements and type in calendar. So it's there. So we just click on anyone, pick anyone that you like that. Now this purple that is here, it does not really show because the background is associated with purple. So we'll go to this purple place, click on it, and pick maybe red or something. So there. Now text, add a little bit of body text and type there 14th February 2022. Now as you can see, it's small. So let's make this white. Let's see if white will show. Or let's use now photo colors is something that it will show you the colors, the main colors that are inside. So let's use this color. Everything that is here is associated with red. So you can make this bold so you can show properly. So 14th February 2022. There. So this is the poster. So we're going to click on download PNG and download. So it will download and then we'll be able to see. So as you can see, it has downloaded. Now your assignment for today: make your Valentine's Day poster using A4 document or poster design and send it to this email AKWITTI@gmail.com. Again, make your Valentine's Day poster using A4 document or poster design, or you can do a custom size and send your design to this email AKWITTI@gmail.com. The deadline for this is 19th, Saturday 19th, and in the next video I'm going to announce the winner that I thought was the best, then second and third. So till then, I will see you. Bye for now.